Myself, Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to define you the character sketch of grandmother in the story My Beloved Charioteer. Shashi Deshpande is an award-winning Indian novelist. She makes gender central to her writing. In her story, My Beloved Charioteer, she tries to show the relationships of grandmother, mother, and daughter at various stages of life. My Beloved Charioteer is based on the three generations, three women, that is, grandmother, mother, and daughter, and three different mindsets living together. Grandmother being the oldest one and the one who takes care of each and everyone in the house. Grandmother plays a very important role in the story My Beloved Charioteer. She is connecting link between her daughter Aarti and the granddaughter Preeti. The story opens in a cozy early morning time when we see her affectionately talking to her granddaughter Preeti. She shares a close bond with Preeti. Theirs is a conspiratorial team that excludes the mother. The story ends with her narration of her married life of 25 years in which she had suffered the tyrannies of her cruel husband. Thus, she plays an important role from the beginning to the end of the story. Next characteristic of her character is a model grandmother. Grandmother is a model grandmother to her granddaughter Preeti, very loving and caring. She prepares tea for herself and the child. Then Preeti, bathed and fresh, goes to school. Really, happiness means different things to different people. For her, happiness is the beginning of a new day with Preeti. She fed and dressed her well and gave her tonics and vitamins and all the other things usually given to children. It is only after she has taken her bath, done her puja, and is halfway cooking lunch when her daughter gets up and comes into the kitchen to have a tea in hungry gulps. The grandmother minds the house, cooks the food, and in the daily course forgets herself and her sorrows. She thinks that Preeti's affection is a gift from heaven, the ray of sunshine God sends even to the darkest corners. She showers all her affection on Preeti, who in return loves her grandmother very deeply. She calls Preeti her beloved charioteer who gives her strength for the battle of life. Her life is full of meaning since the child is with her. She waits for Preeti to return from school. When she has a holiday, she does not know who is happier, Ajji or Preeti. On an unexpected holiday, both of them are full of joy, but if Aarti comes there, they feel guilty and hide their happiness. Next point is her love for Preeti. Grandmother showers all her affection on Preeti, who in return loves her grandmother very deeply. For the grandmother, Preeti is just like Lord Krishna of Mahabharata. Lord Krishna drives Arjun's chariot and gives him the message of discharging his duty. He is a source of inspiration to Arjun. In this story, Preeti provides a great solace to her grandmother. The old lady finds a deep meaning and new meaning in her life. The mutual love between them sustains the old lady in her otherwise meaningless life. She takes cares Preeti very much. She prepares tea for herself and the child. Then Preeti, bathed and fresh, goes to school. She fed and dressed her well and gave her tonics and vitamins for all the other things usually given to children. In this way, she takes cares Preeti very much, and her love to Preeti is great. Her unhappy married life. This is the next characteristic of grandmother. She endured a very oppressive relationship with her cruel husband for 25 years. However, she has no bitterness. No doubt she lets go her husband's photograph. He was heartless and he had no love for his wife. The wife catered to all his needs. When their two infant sons died, the mother wept alone secretly in the backyard of the house. He gave her two saris once a year and those of the colors she hated. He always expected her to be available to him and he used to dismiss her coldly after sexual satisfaction. She was in eternal fear of the man, hardly able to breathe for fear of disturbing him. She was afraid to get up for a glass of water, scared even to cough. She released her mental sickness after her husband's death. She realized that she should not have told her daughter all this, but that day she was like a river in monsoon and nothing could control her. Although she had tried to forget the past, yet she felt envious of her daughter when she heard the talking and laughing of Aarti and her husband inside the room. This was because of the fact that there was a great contrast between their married lives. Next point is a very dutiful woman. The grandmother discharges her household duties. She looks after the young child Preeti, cooks for all three of them. She cannot share anything with Aarti. Their approach to life is different. She fails to establish a close relationship with her daughter, although both of them are widows. She is very close to her granddaughter. In doing all the household chores, she forgets her own grief. The quiet routine of her day is like a balm to her soul. Daily chores are not monotonous but soothing. She kept her husband's room neat and tidy for 7 years. She dusted and swept it meticulously herself. Next point is a very practical lady. Grandmother is really a very practical woman. The photo frame that was broken accidentally by Aarti gave a chance, which helped Ajit to talk to her and to explain her that what gone is gone. Ajit is also holding the pain of her husband, but on the other hand, she is managing and not running from her problems and fears. Preeti has a daughter, Aarti has a daughter, and she need to take care of her. Ajji also says that she does not want to ever see the photograph again, as it is no point of seeing things which gives pain and discomfort. Aarti needs to be happy at which she got rather than things which she doesn't have. But Ajji takes cares of the family and family members even after the death of her husband. She is really a very practical lady and she wants to teach this lesson to her daughter Aarti. The next point is her relationship with Aarti and Preeti. There is no sharing of suffering between the mother and the daughter Aarti. When Aarti's father died, her mother had not informed her about her father's illness. 3 months later, Preeti was born. There was a special bond between Preeti and her grandmother. Aarti used to pass her time in reading and smoking. She used to puff out smoke as if she was emitting bitterness. She neglected her looks and dresses. Since she was a widow, she could not bear married people talking and laughing. She had hated people who were happy. But grandmother lives happily in the company of Preeti. She simply hid her sorrow from Aarti. Her mother found it difficult to assuage her grief. For her, Preeti was a God's gift. Aarti was deeply attached to her father, who had died 7 years ago. She used to spend her time in her dead father's room, and Ajji spends her time in taking care of the family and family members. So the relationship between the mother and the daughter is not very good, but the understanding and bond of love between grandmother and granddaughter is very loving. In this way, grandmother, in conclusion, we can say grandmother plays a very important role in the story My Beloved Charioteer, written by Deshpande, Shashi Deshpande. She is very affectionate. She is a model grandmother. She loves Preeti too much. Although her past life was full of sorrows, her husband's behavior was very cruel towards her. Still, she is a very dutiful woman. She is very practical. She knows her duties, how to look after the family and especially the Preeti. Her relationship with her daughter and with her granddaughter. And in the end, she teaches a lesson to her daughter Aarti. In this way, she plays an important role from the beginning to the end of the story. So students, in this video lecture, I have explained you the character sketch of grandmother Ajji in the story My Beloved Charioteer. This question is very important for the final examination. That's all for the day. Thank you.